Welcome y'all to the 5-day digital product challenge. Y'all have met me online. My name is Jennifer and I have GenX Goes Digital live workshop that runs Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. East Coast time. My mission is very simple: to help Gen X women confidently go digital by turning decades of their experience into digital products, online businesses, and helping them with new opportunities. My promise to you is very simple. By taking this challenge, and more importantly, implementing what is taught to you in this challenge, that at the end of 5 days, you're going to be able to stop asking the question, how do I make money in 2026? And start answering a much deeper question. What do I already know that someone else would actually pay me to learn? Now, in day one, we're going to learn how to use your experience and how to use AI as a tool to create your first digital product, meaning an ebook, a checklist, or a template. In day two, I'm going to teach you how to build a product in that day. Day three, I'm going to teach you how to price your product and how to show you where it should be placed. Day four, I'm going to teach you how to create your own storefront and to take your product and upload it online into your storefront. Day five, I'm going to teach you how to share your product with the world through social media. What do I need from you? As we go forward in this 5-day challenge, I simply need you to come up into the community tab and literally in day one say, I'm starting day one, I completed day one. That's it. Confirm that you complete each of the days as you move through all 5 days. Important note, you have gotten free access into this community specifically for your 5-day challenge. You'll notice that you do not have access to all the different modules in here because those other modules come at a price for the coaching part of the community. You got access to the free modules only. If I find that you are spamming anybody inside of the community, if I find that you're using hateful words in the community, if I find that you are not logging in and participating in the community, any of those things go on, you will simply be removed from the community. I don't say this to sound like a bully. I say this because I want to help people in the community that want to learn, that want to plug in, that want to implement, and that want to change their situation. I am not looking for the person just to grow the community for people not to take action. So I come in here and I share my time and my experience with people. I expect people to implement. If you have a question, send me a chat right up there and I will answer any questions that you have. If you have any other questions, I'll see you in the next video. Start with day one next.